Hi, this is the King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let's address a common misconception that many teenagers have, the belief that investing is off limits for them. Yep, many young minds out there are under the misconception that they can't start investing until they're older, but that's simply not true. So, without further ado, come join your king and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics, wealth builders. What exactly is the stock market and why should teenagers care? Simply put, the stock market is like a giant marketplace where individuals can buy and sell small portions, known as stocks, of different companies they believe in. To help you understand it better, just imagine owning a slice of your favorite company's pie. Yummy! Now, you might be wondering why teenagers should care about the stock market. Well, here's the exciting part. Investing in the stock market can be a fantastic opportunity for teens to learn about financial markets, entrepreneurship, and wealth creation at an early stage. It's like having a real-life lesson in money management and business ownership. And as your king, I am well aware that by familiarizing yourself with the stock market, you will gain valuable knowledge of how companies operate, how they make profits, and how the market influences their stock prices. It opens doors to understanding the concept of risk and reward because investing in stocks can potentially lead to financial growth over time. So, if you're eager to explore the world of investing and grow your wealth, the stock market offers an exciting adventure tailor-made for teenagers like you. Now, here's another question that you might be thinking. How can teenagers participate in stock market investing when they are still minors? That's an excellent question. And of course, as your king, I have an exciting answer for you. Well, you can create and enter the custodial account, a specially designed investment account that a parent or guardian creates on your behalf until you reach the age of financial independence. Consider it the ideal entry point to kickstart your journey into teen investing. Wealth builders, think of a custodial account as a resourceful tool that allows you to test the waters of the world of investing at a young age. With a custodial account, your parent or guardian acts as the account's custodian, handling the legal responsibilities until you're ready to manage it independently. This unique arrangement provides a solid foundation for you to develop financial literacy, gain hands-on investment experience, and take charge of your financial future. It's like having a free education course, hitting two birds with one stone. Additionally, as your king, I assure you that by opening a custodial account, you can start building a portfolio of stocks and other investment assets. It's an effective way to learn about different investment strategies, witness the power of compounding returns, and cultivate a valuable habit of long-term wealth creation. Rest assured, even as a teenager, you have the opportunity to embark on the path of stock market investing through the convenience and guidance of a custodial account. So, seize this chance to begin your journey towards financial independence at an early age, wealth builders. But before we move on to our next crucial topic for stock market for teens, I would like all of you wealth builders to answer this question. If you could achieve one financial goal through stock market investing, what would it be? Comment down below and let us inspire one another. Now, let's get back to the video. Wealth builders, investing in the stock market can be an exciting opportunity for teenagers to grow their wealth and gain financial independence, right? However, just like any other investment, there are risks involved that need to be understood and managed effectively. As your king, I must say that every reward has corresponding risks. But fear not, as I always tell you, I am here to guide you. So, let's start with the first risk. One of the key challenges that teenagers may face when entering the world of stock market investing is the unpredictable nature of stock prices or the volatility of the stock market. Think of it like a weather forecast. Just as weather conditions can change rapidly, stock prices can fluctuate unexpectedly. This can be a bit unnerving, especially when you see the value of your investments swinging like a pendulum. However, wealth builders, remember that investing at a young age is a bit like planting a garden. While the weather can be unpredictable, with patience and careful nurturing, your investments can grow over time. Now, here's my advice as your king. To safeguard your investments from the ups and downs of the stock market, consider diversifying your portfolio. Think of it as assembling a team for a sports game. If one player isn't performing well on a given day, the collective effort of the team can still lead to victory. Meaning, by spreading your investments across various types of stocks or even other assets like bonds, you can minimize the influence of any single stock's price fluctuations. That's reassuring. Now, another factor to keep in mind when delving into the world of stock market investing as a teenager is the very real possibility of losing your hard-earned money. Just by thinking of it, it makes your king sad. Anyway, yes, while investing holds the promise of handsome returns, it's equally important to acknowledge the inherent risks involved. This risk becomes particularly apparent when you choose to invest in individual stocks or ventures that carry a higher level of uncertainty. Being a teenager, your financial resources might be limited, which amplifies the significance of making prudent choices. To navigate this risk, it's imperative to invest in a manner that aligns with your personal risk tolerance. This means steering clear of overly speculative investments that could lead to substantial losses. Like I said earlier, diversification is your superhero here. Diversification will be your key strategy that will act as your protective shield. This diversified approach helps mitigate the risk of losing everything if one of your investments takes a downturn. By taking these cautious steps, you can not only make stock market investing less perilous, but also set yourself up for a more secure financial future as a teenager. Lastly, the risk of inadequate research and understanding should not be overlooked, wealth builders. It's essential to educate yourself about the companies in which you invest and understand their business models, financial health, and industry dynamics. As your king, I suggest you be aware of any potential red flags or risks associated with the companies you're considering investing in. By doing thorough research and seeking guidance from experienced investors or financial advisors, you can make more informed decisions and mitigate the risk of investing blindly. Remember, investing is a journey, and no investment comes without risks. However, by understanding the potential risks, managing your portfolio wisely, and continuously educating yourself, you can navigate the stock market with confidence. Your king believes that your ability to minimize risks will significantly enhance your chances of achieving your financial goals and growing your wealth over time. Wealth builders, I am confident that you now possess the necessary prior knowledge regarding stock market investing for teenagers like yourselves. It is safe to say that you are now prepared to delve into a more intricate lesson on investing in the stock market. This upcoming lesson will cover topics such as your investment options and provide you with a step-by-step guide to investing. However, to ensure that you don't become overwhelmed with information, let's continue this discussion in our next video. Time is indeed valuable, but it's equally crucial to exercise patience and avoid attempting to absorb all this knowledge in one go. Allow your king to break down this information into manageable bite-sized pieces. Doesn't that sound like a more manageable approach? Alright, I'll take that head nod as a yes. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.